Yeah, you can say hi. That's definitely gonna be in the bloopers. Hi queens, welcome back to my channel. I am Venance at Miss.cameroon, model and model mentor, and also the creator of Model to Modelpreneur. That's a lot of models. So I wanted to come back here with another little modeling series video that I've been doing lately, and you guys seem to like it a lot. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about how to monetize your modeling brand. And this is not just for models. This is if you are also a blogger and you want to like monetize your brand. This is also going to be a good video for you. Definitely keep on watching to find out the 4 proven ways on how to monetize your modeling brand. Why is it important to monetize your modeling brand? As a model, like as a actual model, if you are out there, you're putting yourself out there, you want to really build followers and all that stuff, and you want to model, you want to get into modeling, you have to think about how you can monetize your brand. No job is safe. Like even a regular 9-to-5 job that you have is not safe, because you can get fired tomorrow. If you are like a model that's getting gigs, like getting jobs, working with managers and all that stuff, like it's cool, it's great, it's amazing, but you don't want to end up depending just on that income. You know what I mean? A model, I just feel like it's so important to have like different ways of making money, not just one way, not just depending on your photo shoots, not just depending on your manager getting you jobs, depending on your fashion show gig. It'll be fine. I'm talking about like if you're up there, that's good, but even the ones that are up there, they also have their own business. They also have their own different ways that they're making money. So like if I waited on a manager on my jobs, my gigs and stuff, I would be a broke bitch. I'm not saying I'm up there, but I'm saying like I'm fine right now because I'm able to monetize my brand from different streams of income. Now let's get into 4 proven ways to monetize your modeling brand. First way I think that as a model you can monetize your brand is by freelancing and like doing services and stuff. I did this. If you guys didn't know, I used to do it all. I used to do makeup, hair, I used to make wigs. I did services for a while. Basically someone hires you to do the job for them. So that's one way that you can basically monetize your modeling brand. If we have an axis, right here is manual, right here is automatic, high paying, low paying. Services is right here. This is where you're making the services money. So it's basically manual, a lot of manual, and it is low paying. It's not for me anymore. So I just feel like I'm on a different level. But if that's something that you want to start with, because that's what I started with, you can go ahead and do that. Let's go for the second one. Sponsored content. Basically when a brand sponsors you to promote your product. Okay, so you will need to have an engaged audience to be able to promote. So that's another way to make money as a model or even as an influencer. As you guys can see, I promote wigs all the time. I love wigs. Even when I wasn't getting paid to do these wig reviews, I still did them because I actually really love doing them. This is definitely manual. So right here, it is definitely somewhere around here because it's manual, because you actually gotta put the wig on, do the video, blah blah blah. You actually have to like do the work and stuff, and it's medium pay. I don't do anything for free like that anymore. Like if I do something for free, you guys, it's because I really love it. But a bitch needs to check. Like, come on, we're not doing free stuff like that no more, okay? But like if you are starting out, it's completely fine to work for free. Like it really is. I've worked for free for years, and then once you get to that level, girl, you gotta ask for the check. Okay, the third one is coaching and consulting. With coaching and consulting, you will need to have an existing skill set to basically coach somebody. Once that you've built like followers, authority, and people know you for your certain niche, like I said, I'm into fashion, modeling, makeup, skincare, hair. Once you've built like authority towards that, then you can coach people or coach people that are into whatever you're doing, and they have to be willing to pay for your services. Okay, for an example, some of the examples that you can coach people from is life coaching. You can do fitness coaching. You can do, if you're a model, you can coach other models. This is the fourth way that you can monetize your modeling brand, is by having a physical product. Let me say this first: before you even start about creating any type of product, you have to make sure that you have people that are gonna buy your product. Like, don't go out there and start selling stuff when you have no one to buy your product. You have to make sure that you gain that first. You build authority, you build your niche, you build, you know, a group of people that are willing to buy anything that you sell. So a physical product is basically like self-explanatory, like a clothing line, a shoe line, bracelet line, a wig line, lash line, I don't know, anything that you want to sell. I think it's very important to also create a physical product, because when you create a physical product, who else can promote your product better than you? So I feel like having a physical product is also amazing, because you can literally promote your product how you want to promote your product. No one else can do it better than you except you. You can be like taking pictures. You can be your own model for your own product. You don't have to wait for no one to freaking send you stuff. So on my little map, remember, this is manual, automatic, high paying, low paying. Is definitely around here. Definitely automatic, and it is high paying. If I wanted to start a hairline, I could have easily make money from this. Like, I started my YouTube with, you know, promoting wigs. So if you're into wigs, girl, I'm about to give you the tea right now. I'm about to give you the tea, okay? So just start with promoting wigs. Promote the wigs. Even if you have to buy the wigs at first, buy those wigs. Promote that shit. Promote until you become the wig girl. Once you become the wig girl, bitch, bam, start your own wig line. That's how it works. If you like lashes, if you're into makeup, and people always talk about your lashes, always buy the nicest lash. Make sure the lash, you do your full face, your lash is like the main thing, you know. People are going to be like, oh my god, her lashes are always popping. Her lashes are always popping. And they're going to be like, where is she getting her lashes from? Bitch! You start your own lash line. And that's how you're successful with it. If you are interested to learn more about how to monetize your brand, how to build authority, how to become a better model, how to make money as a model, how to take better pictures, how to slay on Instagram, girl, I got you. I'm that girl. The link in my description box. I have my special guidebook right here. It's called Model to Modelpreneur Guidebook. If you are interested to learn more about how to become a model and all that stuff, I got you. Definitely get the guidebook. The link is down below so I can teach you everything. I got you. Ow. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I love you. I am so grateful, thankful, blessed, and I hope you are too. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.